I got this off of Amazon. As you can see, it is a pair of outdoor chairs. This is one that's already put together. I will show you how easy it is with this one. But the material is super durable. It is fade resistant, waterproof, and it is also just a really nice breathable material so that you can have it outside. This is the aluminum is powder coated so that you can make sure that it's rust proof and that sort of thing. And the chair can fit up to 300 pounds, so pretty good deal. I will go ahead and show you now how to do it. So you just put this down, because this is where you'll put the base of the chair in. So you've got this one. I'm going to do it the same as the one I've got. So you just pick that one, put it down in there, like so. And then these are what keep it from losing its place, just for added safety. Just slips on like that. You can do all different, quite a few different angles, so whatever angle you're wanting to do, you just pull it out, put it back in. Okay, so then you've got this little pillow, Velcros in the back, flips over to the front, and voila! You've got your chair. Pretty easy to put together, super fast, and it's ready to use. Put it, out in the yard, put it by the pool. A lot of different uses for it. Good to pack away in a car, road trip, if you want to go camping or whatever. So I recommend this for anybody looking for some outdoor chairs.